How to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. If you're a Sweatcoin user and wondering how to withdraw your Sweatcoins to GCash, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert your Sweatcoins into cash and send them straight to your GCash account. So let's get started. First things first, open the Sweatcoin app. If you haven't already downloaded yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and install it. Once you're up, simply log in and open the app to see your current balance. Now that we're inside, you should see your total Sweatcoin balance at the top of the screen. Simply convert Sweatcoins to a cash outable reward. Sweatcoin offers various ways to convert your own Sweatcoins into real money. But in this case, we want to send it to GCash. To cash out, tap on the shop or rewards section within the app and you'll see a list of available rewards. Look for the GCash option or a payout option that supports GCash transfer and link to your GCash account. To do this, simply select the GCash payout option. If it's your first time using GCash as a withdrawal method, the app will prompt you to enter your GCash mobile number and link your account. Make sure the number you provide is the one registered with your GCash account. Simply request your withdrawal. Once your GCash account is linked, you can now select how much you want to withdraw, enter the amount of Sweatcoins you want to convert into cash, and follow the instructions to complete the process. Simply click the withdraw button and check Sweatcoin will process your request. Now lastly, check your GCash account. After completing the withdrawals process, open your GCash app and go to your cash in on transaction tab to see the funds appear in your account. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Sweatcoins and transferred them to your GCash account.